Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all fine at home. Children, today we are all going to learn a GK subject. In this GK subject, we are all going to learn a moral values. How to develop your moral values. Before that, what does mean by moral values? What does mean by moral values? We are all learning subjects like Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social, etc. Yes or no? Apart from this subject, the behavior is important. That is called the moral values. How to behave yourself. That is the moral values. Okay. So the people should say he is a good boy. She is a good girl. Okay, how to get that name, good boy or a good girl? For that, you have to develop your moral values. Okay, so how to develop your moral values? You have to be a disciplined person. You have to be a disciplined boy or a girl. You have to respect your parents, teachers and elders. Okay, next is you have to help others. Okay, you have to help others, and then you have to be a kind person. And you have to be friendly with each other. Okay, you have to be friendly with the people. Okay, these are all things you have to follow to improve, to develop your moral values. Okay, not every people like you. Okay, some people don't like you. You don't worry about it. Okay, Okay, the people who don't like you, that people don't know about you. Okay, just take things easily. Okay, he is not at all talking with me. Okay, so I feel so bad. Okay, I am so sad, like that and all. You should not think. Okay, you have to be happy. And you have to be very kind. Okay, you have to be very kind. You have to help each other. You have to help your friends, your family members. Okay, understand, Kanna? So, in this lesson, we are all going to learn how to develop your moral values. Come children, let us see the lesson.
Children, take your pencil and note down the answer. See, the first lesson is on the line. Given below are some situations you may encounter while using a phone. Choose the course of action you find the most appropriate. See, the first question is, you need to take down a message for a call that came in your father's absence. Which questions are unnecessary? The callers. C. Name and message is necessary one. Address and favorite color is unnecessary. Okay. Second one, C. For the following situations, choose the suitable responses from the bulleted list. Write the letter in the box provided. See the first one. See the ticked one. I am sorry, but you seem to have the wrong number. What? Your teacher calls home to complain to your father about your behavior and you pick up a phone. The caller is asking for someone who does not live at your home. Someone is repeatedly making blank calls at your home. Someone unknown to you starts talking to you and asks questions like your name, school, address, etc. What you have to say? You have to say, I am sorry, but you seem to have a wrong number. Third question, you call your favorite pizza joint to order a home delivery. Sequence these sentences in the order you will speak to them on the phone. What you have to do? First, you have to say, hi, is this ABC pizza? Second box, C. I wish to order for a meal combo. Third one, could you let me know about the available choices? Fourth one, thanks a lot. Fifth one, how long would it take to be delivered? Sixth one, thanks a lot. Fourth one was, thanks, I will go with the XYZ pizza and drink combination. Fifth one, how long would it take to be delivered? Sixth one, thanks a lot. Second, first aid tips. Second one, first aid tips. Okay. See, tick the most appropriate response in these commonly encountered situations. See, if your friend scrapes his knee while playing, you will apply band-aid on the wound. Apply band-aid on the wound. Second one, if you want to go to the pool for a swim, you should wait for your coach to be there and give you permission to go in. Third one, if your clothes catch fire, you should not beat clothes if you find a wooden stick. Fourth one, if you meet your friend's cute cat, you should take time to get know it. Fifth one, if a stray animal bites you, you should wash the wound with soap and water to get the germs out. Sixth one, if your friend is getting an electric shock, you should slap the body part in contact with the wire with a wooden stick. Seventh one, if someone burns their hand on a hot pan, you should put the hand under cold running water. Okay, let us go to the third lesson. Steering a conversation. See, choose the people from the given help box with whom you have a conversation on the given topics. See, the books you love to read and the one you are planning to read. Friends or teachers, you will ask. Your interactions with friends at school, guidance about how to deal with the bully in class, parents, grandparents, favorite teachers. Yes, your school and what you do there. You can converse with teacher or friends. The previous day's thrilling match, someone you need in journey. You meet in a journey. Your dreams and fears, friends. Gifts you want for your next birthday. You can ask your parents. Difficulties you are facing in a subject, parents or a grandparents. The movies you love to watch, parents or teachers. Okay, these are all the conversations you can converse with. And the next one, best foot forward. See, how will you react in the given situation? Circle your response. See, your grandmother gifted you a sweater and she wants you to wear it for a party you are going to. You feel that it is out of style and do not want to wear it. You will tell her what you feel and apologize for not wearing it. Second one, your guests want to watch TV but it is the time for your favorite show. You will read a book instead. Very good. Third one, your brother wants to sleep as he has match the next day but you wish to read a story. You will walk over to some other room and read it there. Fourth one, you go to the fair with your family but you lose sight of your parents. You will go to policeman or the office. Yes. Fifth one, your friend is a better player than you. You will accept the fact and keep doing your best. Very good. Okay, children. See that? We will see in the next class. Okay. Moral values and life skill lessons are over. Bye, children.